the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. So what will be the radius of the wheel? Children?
40 centimeters.
40, right? How many complete revolutions? Now, what do you mean by revolution? It means one
Perimeter.
one round, one complete round. I will stop here only. I'll not proceed with the question. I have a toy car with me to show you. That is how the wheel moves. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when the wheel is
Yes,
moving,
ma'am.
let us try to understand it with this. This is the point where it touches the circle or road. This pen represents the position of the wheel which is touching the road. When will we say, beta, that it has completed one revolution?
When it will come at same position.
When the pen will come to the road again. Now look carefully, I am moving it. Is the wheel moving along with the pen?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं शायद इस side से पकड़ी हूँ. Is the wheel moving along with the pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Look carefully. Now the pen is coming to the road again. So beta, जब वो one revolution complete हुआ, in one revolution, what part of the wheel is actually touching the road? Is it the circumference of the wheel or is it the area?
Circumference.
Area will be this portion. Area will be this portion with this silver one and this black one. And this is not touching the road. When the wheel is moving, it is a boundary of the wheel. Outside of the wheel, circumference of the wheel which is touching the road. So one revolution is equal to what actually in terms of circle? One
Circumference of
revolution.
2 pi r.
Yes. So one revolution is equal to circumference which is 2 pi r. Which is 2 pi r. So the question is, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes? 10 minutes the car is moving, and in 10 minutes they want us to find how many rounds has the wheel taken. If the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour, children see, car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour, what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am, that the car is covering 66 kilometers
66
in 1
kilometer
hour.
in 1 hour.
1 hour. Yes. That the car is covering 66 km in 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, car can cover 66 km.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
we are bound only by 10 minutes. Question में पूछा 10 minute में. In 10 minutes, how many rounds? So if we know the distance covered in 60 minutes, can we find the distance covered by car in 10 minutes first of all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let us pause and first calculate the distance covered in 10 minutes. So you will write distance covered by car, distance covered by car. This I have written common at the top. But again, is the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes, is equal to 66 kilometers. This is by the definition of speed. I am not doing anything new here. This is simply by the definition of speed. So, in 1 minute, what will be the distance covered in 1 minute?
66 upon 60.
Upon 60.
This is your unitary method. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I can divide in the table of 6. In the lowest form, it will be
11 by 10.
by 10. I am bothered about 10 minutes. So, the distance covered by car in 10 minutes is equal to
11 by 10
11
multiplied by
into
10.
which is
11
11
kilometers.
kilometers.
11 kilometers.
So now we have got to know one thing, that the car is covering total 11 kilometer. कार को total 11 kilometer cover करने हैं, ठीक है? But we have to find number of rounds. How do you find number of anything? Suppose you have to find number of pens purchased, and you know the total cost, total amount you paid, and the cost of one pen. That is how you do it. So
Yes, ma'am.
any number that you have to find. So similarly, beta, I have to find number of revolutions. Will it be equal to total distance covered in 10 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And upon me what? The distance covered in
Circumference.
1 minute.
one round, or you
One
can call
round.
it circumference. जी beta,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you with me? I know. So first we have calculated what distance it has to cover in 10 minutes. Let's be clear with that. So first we have done that. Now after that we are interested to know the number of revolutions. Number of revolution is total distance upon my distance in one round. So now the number of revolutions made by wheel in 10 minutes will be equal to distance covered in 10 minutes divided by
2 pi r.
distance covered in one revolution. जी बेटा,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
distance covered in one revolution. So distance covered in 10 minutes is 11 kilometer. And distance covered in one revolution is equal to circumference. G, which is 11 kilometer upon the 2 pi r. Since I have not defined r, I will be defining radius. And what is 2 into radius?
Meter.
What is 2 into
Diameter.
radius?
Diameter.
Diameter. Why I
Diameter.
am saying so? Because I am giving diameter in the question. So 11 kilometer upon pi into diameter. You want, you can calculate radius also from diameter, one and the same thing. So this is further equal to 11 kilometer upon में 22 by 7 into 80 centimeter. ठीक है ना बेटा? Yeah? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this 7 will go up, and as you can see, this is centimeter, this is kilometer. We need to come to a consensus. Now how to change kilometer to centimeter? Children, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters?
1000.
1000 meter.
And 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter?
100
100.
centimeter.
1000 into 100 centimeter. So 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeter. Yeah. So now this 7 will go in the
Yes.
top. 7 into 11 into, the units is same, divided by 22 into 80 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter cancel. 11 ones are, 11 twos are. 1 0 and 1 0 cancel. So you have got this as 7 followed by 4 zeros. 2 into 8, 16. Kindly divide and let me know what the answer is. 4. Yogendra, you may start. It is 4, 3, 7, 5. children, do you realize that if you are moving your car for 10 minutes, these many thousand times the wheel is actually moving, right? All right. Thank you.